India is home to breathtaking waterfalls, especially during monsoon. Here are the top 3 must-visit waterfalls in India. Number 1. Jog Falls in Karnataka, standing at 830 feet. It's segmented into 4 distinct falls: Raja, Rani, Rocket, and Roarer. Number 2. Dudhsagar Falls on the Goa-Karnataka border at 117 feet. Known for its milky white cascades resembling a sea of milk. Number 3. Athirapalli Falls in Kerala at 80 feet. Dubbed the Niagara of India, surrounded by lush rainforests. Which waterfall are you visiting first? Or did I just make you plan your next trip? Be honest.